It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Today's New Food Friday is Bacon Ranch. We've tried regular ranch, different brands, but not this kind. So let's give it a try.
Let's try it.
Wow, that's strong.
It tastes like normal ranch with a bacony flavor, and then there's something crunchy in it. I think it's crunchy bacon bits.
It tastes like ranch, and then there's a strong flavor that takes over.
Yeah, it's ranch and then it's bacon. And then it's ranch. I would say this is good because I like bacon and ranch, so combined is really good. And regular ranch, it doesn't have bacon. I think that this is good and better than normal ranch because it has this unique flavor in it that tastes like bacon. It's my favorite meat.
I like regular ranch better than this, but it's still good.
I'd say it was a thumbs up. I would say it was a double thumbs up.
I like the ranch better than this, but it's still good. I say it's thumbs up.
You want one?
And
Emmett really likes mustard. He doesn't like ranch.
Mommy, Kitty wants to answer.
What do you want to tell us about him?
Kitty wants to answer, Mom.
The kitty wants to try it. Do you want to tell him who this is? A new kitty showed up at our house, so we now have a new pet. And he's hoping to try some ranch, isn't he?
Yeah.
Do you think Kitty would like the ranch? Would he give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Found it.
I think he'd give him more of a pop.
I'd say he wouldn't like it.
Thanks for watching. See you next week.